Definitely feel lucky. Yeah, it's good to have a lot of people around you, definitely a lot of mates, a lot of things to do. So yeah, definitely feel real grateful for that stuff, yeah. Definitely depression, that's been pretty bad around here. I had that for 2 years. Lots of people die here, so it's a bit of a bummer. There's a lot of suicides here, so a lot of pain around the community. I had a couple mates die already. Yeah, it's pretty stressful, especially with school and that. Started skating. Skating is what I got into 2 years ago. That really helped me with my journey right now. Definitely being around new people was an interesting thing. Yeah, just getting involved, getting more social. I've always been quite a happy person inside. Yeah, I've never really thought about suicide or any of that. I probably would have checked up on them more often and definitely see how they are, because I felt like that's nothing I really did before, and even with my mates now I still don't really do that, but probably something I should get into.